The question that drives me each day is, how do we make the complicated world of payments simple for Salesforce customers? Chargent for Commerce Cloud was developed to ensure that you can use the gateways that you want to use without having to do any heavy lifting. You won't have to spend time learning about the Salesforce Payments API or Gateway's technical tools. Our experts did this already. In this video, you will see a demo of Lightning B2B Commerce Cloud using Chargent for Commerce Cloud. Another important thing you should know is that you can reduce your accounts receivable and collection challenges in Salesforce with Chargent. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent. If you're on the e-commerce project team for your company and you want to see how Lightning B2B Commerce works, then you're in the right place. Benefit number one is that you can transact with Cybersource today. Getting Commerce Cloud ready to transact with Cybersource can be a laborious and difficult process. You will need to understand the APIs for both Salesforce Commerce Payments and for Cybersource. Then build connector and test it thoroughly. Our experts already did all of this for you. It's ready to go now. That means your project team can focus on putting the right product in front of the right buyers at the right time. Taking payments? We already solved that for you. As we get started, I have one ask of you and two benefits I want you to know about. First, I ask that you use the link in the description of this video to download our guide that will teach you how to manage accounts receivable and collection challenges in Salesforce using Chargent. Download the guide using the link in the description of this video right now. Benefit number two, access to Chargent core features. Chargent for Commerce Cloud is an extension of our core Chargent product, and as our customers, you get the benefit of access to all of the Chargent core functionality. You will be ready to collect on invoices, take care of recurring payments, and give your call center team access to take payments right in Salesforce. As we get into the demo, I want to level set a bit and help us all understand how Commerce Cloud works and what to expect. First off, Commerce Cloud is a set of tools to enable organizations to create enterprise-ready commerce solutions. As that is the case, it doesn't make sense for Salesforce to ship a ready-to-transact system. Instead, when you buy a Commerce Cloud, you are buying a platform which can support enterprise-grade commerce solutions. All of that is to say, in order to use Commerce Cloud, you will need to be proficient in Salesforce Flow. Your team will need to tweak the flow to make your process fit your organization. The Chargent for Commerce Cloud integration supports the major payment transaction types, which are registered token, authorized, captured, void, out reversal, and refund. While Chargent integration does support this function, we are dependent on the Commerce Cloud Payments API team to implement each of them in order to have them work for you. There are two prerequisites to mimic this demo in your own org, which are 1. A fully functional commerce store. 2. Chargent for Commerce Cloud set up as per our implementation and admin guide. This setup we cover in other videos on this channel. Please subscribe so you can see that. Without further ado, let's see the system in action. First off, let's head into the Commerce app from the home page. I can choose my B2B store and choose the administration tile. Here, I can choose a car payment gateway from the left-hand side of the screen. The page clearly says that no integration is selected, so I click Link Integration. Here I can choose from the gateways that have been integrated. Today we're demoing using Cybersource. Simply click the plus sign next to the Cybersource option. The next page reminds me that this action will impact active sessions that are happening currently on the Commerce Store. I click Confirm. As I have done my primary setup before, now including setting up the gateway credentials and the payment gateway records, these details are covered in detail in our implementation and administration guide. Now the B2B store is ready to transact. Let's switch hats over to be a coffee buyer. Our coffee buyer today is Rosetta Tarp of Rosetta Coffee on Colton Plant, Arkansas. which is buying 20 bags of medium roast coffee. Next, Rosetta adds to cart, then views the cart and double checks her order. She sees her volume discount was applied. She proceeds to checkout. Her address is correct, so she clicks next and chooses the shipping option, clicks next again to input her card details on the Commerce Cloud pay form. Clicks through confirm order details, clicks next, then sees that her order is complete. Now we switch to our order manager hat. And in Salesforce, we're now in the Salesforce order management system. Here we see Rosetta's order and we can clearly see that her payment was authorized. As we switch hats to the fulfillment manager, we pick and pack Rosetta's order, then set the fulfillment order to fulfill. Back on the order, we now see that the payment has been captured. Rosetta's coffee will soon be delivered to Colton Plant, Arkansas. And now, check out this next video. My name is Robert, and I am from Chargent, where we're dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, we are always here to help.